again. All right, so obviously we need to learn how to use our good friend blue tape to hang posters, because these things are heavy, and with the new no duct tape, only magnets on magnetic surfaces and those type of things, we're gonna have to relearn how to do this because it's not easy. So lots of experience with blue tape, and probably the easiest thing to do if you want to do this right is you've got to use a lot of blue tape, and you can't use curling method. This is the curling method. We all know the curling method well. You curl up a piece of tape, you stick it there. No more. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the poster we want. We're going to set it up on the wall. If you want to use some little tiny pieces of tape to do that, you sure can. If it's a little bit, see, it's going to fall again. So we're going to turn this around. We'll just do like this. And then we have to use the frame method. That's the actual term. At least that's what I was told. And you have to frame it. So once you do that, it'll stick better. But those little things on the outside, they just don't do real well. Now, one thing that you might want to do and consider when you do this is double frame. And sometimes you even have to triple frame it. And if you do that, you will have the most successful poster hanging ever with our good friend, blue tape. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Blue tape, use it properly. Use it properly. Use it properly.